Good morning. Welcome to Fit Life Gym. How can I help you today? Good morning. I am interested in signing up for a membership. I have been thinking about starting a regular workout routine and your gym came highly recommended. That is great to hear. We would love to have you as a member. Are you looking for a short term or long term membership? I am thinking about a long term membership. I want to commit to getting in shape and staying healthy. Could you tell me about the options you offer? Of course, we have several plans. Our most popular option is the annual membership, which gives you access to all the facilities, including the gym, swimming pool, and group classes. We also have a monthly plan if you prefer more flexibility. The annual membership sounds perfect. I would like to get access to the group classes too. Could you tell me more about those? Sure. We offer a variety of classes including yoga, Zumba, Pilates, and strength training. Classes are held throughout the week, so you can choose the ones that fit your schedule. We also have certified trainers who can help you get started and guide you through your fitness journey. That sounds exactly like what I am looking for. I am especially interested in yoga and strength training. I have heard they are great for both the body and the mind. You are absolutely right. Yoga is fantastic for flexibility and relaxation, while strength training helps build muscle and improve overall fitness. We have beginner to advanced levels so you can progress at your own pace. I am a bit of a beginner, so I would probably start with the basics. What about personal trainers? Do you offer any one on one sessions? Yes, we do. We have several personal trainers who can create a customized workout plan based on your fitness goals. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or improve endurance, they will work with you to achieve your targets. That's exactly what I need. I want to focus on building strength and toning my body, but I'm not sure where to start. A personal trainer sounds like a good idea. It definitely is. They will access your current fitness level and create a plan that is tailored just for you. Plus, they will motivate you and ensure you are using the equipment correctly to avoid injuries. I like the sound of that. I am really excited to start. How soon can I book a session with a trainer? You can book a session as soon as you sign up. We will set you up with a trainer who matches your goals and availability. You can also try a complimentary session to see how you like it before committing. That's perfect. I would love to start with a complimentary session, and I think I will go ahead with the annual membership. Fantastic choice. Let's get you signed up. I'll just need some basic information from you, and then you are all set to begin your fitness journey with us. Sounds great. I'm ready to get started. All done. You are now officially a member of Fit Life Gym. Here's your membership card. You can use it to access the gym, classes, and other facilities. And don't forget to check out our schedule for the upcoming classes. Thank you so much, Aditi. I am really excited to start working out and attending the classes. This is a big step for me. You are welcome, Reena. We are here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to ask. We want to make sure you have the best experience possible. I appreciate that. I will definitely take you up on that offer. I will see you tomorrow for my first session. Looking forward to it. Have a great day, Reena, and welcome to the Fit Life Gym.